Hi everyone, today we're going to learn how to solve some worded problems and use quadratic equations to solve them. And this will be the last exercise in this topic. Alright, so let's have a look at the first example here. So we have a rectangle that has an area of 24 square meters. So what I'm going to do is start drawing and labeling the diagram as I read through the question. So I've got an area, rectangle, area of 24 square meters. So I'm going to write area equals to 24 square meters in here. Okay, let's go to the next part of the sentence. If the length is 5 meters longer than the breadth, if the length is 5 meters longer than the breadth, find the dimensions of the rectangle. Alright, in order to do this, because we're looking for the breadth and the length, we don't know what that is, let's label the length x. Okay? That means this is x, because that's the shorter side, because it says the length is 5 meters longer than the breadth. So the length here then is x. 5 meters longer means plus 5. Let me make that clear for you. Okay? So we've labeled everything that we can from the question. Now, in order to actually answer the question, because we're given the area, what we want to do is see what we get when we multiply the length and the breadth. Because that's what you got to do to find the area of a rectangle. So area equals x times, in a bracket, x plus 5. This is the same thing as x bracket x plus 5. Okay? Remember, we know what the area is. The area is 24. So let's just replace that number, the letter, with 24. And let's see what we get from here. So now, I'm going to expand the bracket. That's x squared. That's plus 5x equals to 24. Can you see what we need to do from here? We're trying to solve for x. So let's bring everything to one side. So if I want this to equal to 0, remember this is a plus 24. So I'm going to bring that to the other side. That becomes x squared plus 5x minus 24. Now the first question you're going to ask yourself is, can we factorize that to find x? In this case, I'll try it out using the cross method. In this case, 8 and 3, and after the minus of that, that works out. 8 times minus 3 is minus 24, 8 minus 3 is 5. That works out. So if I write this in final form, it will be x minus 3, x plus 8. So we've got two solutions here. Let's find out the two answers. Remember from the previous video, you look at the first bracket. In this case, x is equal to 3. Yep. You just take the opposite sign of the minus, which is plus 3. And in here, you've got x is equal to, opposite of plus 8 is minus 8. Now that means x is equal to 3 and x is equal to minus 8. The only possible answer that you can take from this is that one. Just circle that again. And you ignore this one, because this is saying that this breadth is minus 8 meters. You can't have a negative length in real life. So you take the positive number. So that's my correct answer. So this is 3 meters. Then the length must be 3 plus 5. That's 8 meters. So those are your answers. And that's the dimensions of the rectangle. And as you can see, if you do 8 times 3, that is 24. Alright, let's have a look at this second example here. Alright, we have a very similar example, but just a different shape. Find the height and the base lengths of a triangle that has an area of 24 square meters and a height 2 centimeters more than its base. Lots of information. Let's just break it down and draw some diagram. So I've got a triangle here. I've drawn a right triangle because it's just easier to work with. Doesn't matter what triangle you draw though. Now, find the height and the base that has an area of 24 square meters. So we're just going to write area equals to 24 square meters in here. Now, the height is 2 centimeters more than its base. Okay, so see that base? If I label the base as x, so in this case that's the base, x, that means the height is 2 centimeters more. Height is 2 centimeters more. That means this height is going to be x plus 2, like we saw in the previous example. Now once again, because it's area, we want to multiply the dimensions, but just keep in mind area of a triangle is half times the base and the height. Alright? So, we've got the half, and we've got the base. The base is x, sorry, multiply between, times the height is x plus 2. We'll put in a bracket. And that area is 24. Alright? So we got all of this. Let's just put it all together.
So 24 equals to half x plus 2.
Now, what I want to do in this situation is actually, I want to get rid of this fraction. This is a half there. Get rid of the half by multiplying 2 to the other side. So if I just
multiply by 2, 24 times 2 is 48.
So now I get 48 equals to. Then it's the same situation as what I did before. Let's expand it out. So 48 equals to. Like I said, bring everything to one side. So in this case, I've got
X squared plus 2x is plus 48. But the other side becomes minus 48. That's equal to 0.
Can I factorize this? Let's find out. So I've got x plus 8, x minus 6. So what are my answers? Here, x is equal to minus 8. Here, x is equal to 6. But like I said, you cannot have a negative length. So I'm going to ignore this minus 8. So my base is 6 centimeters, which means the height is 8 centimeters. Okay? So those are my answers. And this is how you do dimension type of problem in a worded context. Okay?